Operating in the UK for over 20 years, this construction company brings local insight and technical know-how to new build, regeneration, residentials, and more. They operate in a highly regulated industry and undertake monthly reporting cycles during which they review financial, environmental, and safety performance across the construction sites. It is a significant investment of both time and effort, and with no established visualizations of data, the depths of insight into the business performance is limited. Intelogy managed to build a sophisticated dashboard experience which made full use of the extensive styling and visual options available in Power BI, providing insights into their data and business performance. This solution modernized and simplified the business reporting process, resulting in a vast reduction of manual workload. The viewing, interpretation, and sharing of the most up-to-date versions of these reports has never been easier. At a glance, anybody with access to the dashboard can see the overall performance of multiple sites. It's much easier to obtain more substantial insights from the site data and inform later conclusions and actions on the basis of it, without needing to visit multiple locations or open multiple files to do so. Discover insights hidden in your data and let us help you develop interactive reports and dashboards to drive clear, insightful trends and projects.